you doing? Welcome to the Hand Tooler. I'm Andrew Malacy. As you can see, I'm in my shop here, and it's been undergoing a lot of transformation lately. I'm really excited about it. Got a lot of work into it, and now I'm at the point where I need to start finding storage solutions for the storage I took down or threw away. And the first thing I need to do is do something with my saws, and that usually involves a saw till. And I was thinking, how am I going to do this? Could I repurpose something I already had? Like there was a glue cabinet here. I thought about turning that into a saw till. And in the end, I realized I can reuse some of this pre-primed lumber that I have from making the casing on the door or from putting up the wainscoting here and other projects I've done for other people. It's going to be really simple. It's going to be easy. I'm just going to glue up some pieces, screw it all together. I'm not going to do anything complicated because maybe in the future I want to do something much nicer. And then I can just disassemble it and reuse the pieces. This isn't going to be so much of a video about how to do the things, but just about showing you what I did to reuse some scraps and turn it into something else useful and functional. Now, why I decided to go with this is because as you can see, I'm trying to go towards a much lighter looking theme down here, and also it's like I said, it's pre-primed, it's ready to go. It's really easy to work with, so it's going to be really quick. And the other thing is that I think with some of the clean lines and angles that are already cut into it, which I'm just going to leave, it'll kind of give it like a modern shaker take on things, which is what I'm going for here. So we'll see how it turns out.